Hi friends, this is Shanmugh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer and I am from SOSC University, Society of Software Engineers. So we are going to start a new batch on Azure SQL DBA from 10th January 2024 guys. Okay, so this is a complete Azure SQL DBA batch. So this we are going to start from 10th January 2024. I guess it will be Wednesday. Okay, so coming Wednesday onwards, we are going to start this batch. So classes classes will be on weekdays, Monday to Friday evening, 7 to 8:30 p.m. IST, guys. Okay, so we are going to take the classes on weekdays, Monday to Friday evening, 7 to 8:30 p.m. IST. Okay, so IST it will be. So the duration will be approximately 1 month to 1.5 month, guys. Okay, duration will be 1 to 1.5 month. So it's a complete real-time setup with the scenarios, okay? And the mode of language will be English, and trainer name is Vishal. He's having almost 8+ years of experience, working experience, and 4+ years of teaching experience, guys. Okay, in Azure SQL DBA. So what and all things you are going to get it, guys? Once you enroll for this course, you'll get class recordings of each and every session once the class is completed. You will get the notes of the course, you will get the sample resumes and job assistance. That is a assistance, guys. Job assistance you will get, like we are going to help you in case if we know any of the openings, okay, in our circle. Okay, so that is a job assistance kind of thing. Who can learn this course? Anyone with a diploma or degree can learn this course. It's good if you have SQL DBA knowledge. Why? Because SQL DBA is again we have like on-premises SQL DBA, cloud SQL DBA. So on-premises means how the organizations are going to manage leave. So the organizations by itself are going to manage the setup of all the servers. Okay. So they are going to manage their servers, that is called on-premises. So if you are good in on-premises SQL DBA, you can easily understand cloud SQL DBA. In cloud, we have Azure means if Microsoft is managing our servers, then that is called Azure SQL DBA. Okay, they are going to manage our servers. If we are managing our servers, that is on premises. If Microsoft is managing our servers and databases, that is called Azure SQL DBA. So whatever topics are there in the on premises, so most of the topics are same in the cloud also. Okay, so if you are good in on premises, if you have knowledge in the on-premises SQL DBA, you can easily understand Azure SQL DBA. Nowadays, all the SQL DBAs are migrating to Azure SQL DBA. It's good to have Azure SQL DBA knowledge, and it's good to have Azure SQL DBA skill in your profile so that your resume got shortlisted quickly. Okay, so that's why it's very important, guys. Nowadays, everything is moving to cloud, right? So SQL DB also, it won't move very quickly, but again, even though they are not using, still they are looking for the skill set in the resume. Maybe in future they are going to move. So that's why it's good to have, okay, Azure SQL DB knowledge also, guys. So that's why we are planning to start this batch, Azure SQL DB from 10th January 2024. And the course content and all will be shared in the YouTube description, guys. This video under this video description you can see, and you can also see the some of the previous videos in our channel, like demo videos and all. You can also see the demo videos in our channel. I'm going to share you the link as well in the YouTube description. So just go to YouTube and just type SOS University, and then you can see our channel. This is our channel, and then you can go to this playlist. There you can see Azure SQL DBA playlist. Okay, previous batch Azure SQL DBA playlist. So this you can see. Okay, almost 6 videos are uploaded. Batch 5 Azure SQL DBA. So this is the previous batch. You can see, or else you can see this as well. Batch 6 Azure SQL DBA, 3 videos uploaded. So you can see this or both. You can see, and you can join first 2 3 demo classes for free. And if you like the classes and if you feel comfortable what you can do, you can continue the classes, guys. Okay, if you have if anyone are interested, okay, so you can send a WhatsApp message to this number 9902 590 140. Okay, you can send a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number 9902 590 140. If I'm not reachable, if my number is not reachable, okay, sometimes if you are from US, generally you can't find the number in the WhatsApp. So what you can do, you can send a you can send an email to svsuniversity@gmail.com. Okay, svsuniversity@gmail.com, guys. I'm going to post the course content and previous batch demos link in this video subscription, I mean to say, in this video description, guys. Please subscribe to our channel SOS University for more course related updates, course related videos, and all job related videos. Everything will be uploaded in our channel SOS University, guys. Thank you so much.